Today we're going to do a review on a product that you probably never heard of or didn't even think existed. Today's review is going to be on the Soundpeats wireless Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. Once you get your hands on this, it's probably something you're going to use every day. Here we go. All right, so now that we got everything out of the box, I just want to show you what's inside. On the back of the box right here, you're going to see everything that this could be used for. You see this thing works with cell phones, tablets, laptops, TVs, and now what I want you to see is just the different cables. Again, this particular cable is for your audio of a speaker. You can just plug these two into your audio in, and then you plug this into the Soundpeats, and you now have Bluetooth. Now this one's just a little bit different. This just plugs into one side and this side plugs into any auxiliary. And then this is the exact same thing if you just don't want to use a cable. But here's one of the cool features, and I wanted to give you a visual of this. You can see how small this Soundpeats Bluetooth transmitter is. Do you think that's small? Well, watch this. That's a regular Post-it note, and then this is your small Post-it note that you normally leave around in a lot of places. And I want you to see just how big that is. So let's talk about the product a little bit. I just wanted to show you what was inside the box. So let's dive into that. All right, so now that you guys saw everything that was included inside the box, let's talk about the product itself. Pro number one, this thing turns anything into a Bluetooth capable device. For example, I know a couple of years ago when I had my car, it didn't have Bluetooth capability. So the first thing is you can plug this directly into your car and have Bluetooth. So the first thing I'm going to show you is you can see where it says paired devices. This is not connected. So what I want to do is I want to be able to pair the Soundpeats with the phone so I could play it. Now again, this is if your car does not have Bluetooth already. Mine does, but I could still use this device with the auxiliary port. So let me show you. So first things first, I'm going to plug this into the auxiliary jack, giving me a connection. Make sure that you plug that in all the way. Okay, I'm going to power it on. You're going to see it's going to start flickering blue. It's searching for the device. I'm going to click on MK2. And when I click on MK2, you're going to see it says connected up top. Once that's connected, that means that now my Bluetooth is communicating with the Soundpeats device, and it's going to allow me to do anything I want, from taking phone calls to playing music. So now I'm just going to show you what it sounds like. We're going to play some music real quick just so you can hear it. And now that's coming through the phone. So now you can see how you hook this device up to your car to give you Bluetooth capability. If you have a boat, a motorcycle, and you want to use it for that, you can use it for those things as well. You can also use it for gaming systems. I have the Nintendo Switch right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. But first, I'm going to connect some Bluetooth headphones. Then you want to pair the headphones with the Soundpeats device. This doesn't have Bluetooth capability, but as soon as I plug this in, I now have Bluetooth capability. If you don't want to use this adapter because it's just sticking up and you don't like that, you can simply switch that out and you can plug in the cable adapter, which is going to do the same thing. Plug it in and it'll just hang. But again, now I'm back with Bluetooth capabilities. Another cool feature about that is, say you're watching TV and you go to bed at night and you and your significant other are both going to bed at the same time, for example. One wants to go to sleep, but you want to watch a movie. This is super simple because the same concept for your video game is the same concept for your television. You plug this into the television, hook your headphones up, you can lay there and watch the movie as loud as you want to watch it, and you don't have to worry about bothering anyone. That is one feature that a lot of people will probably take advantage of. Pro number two, when I set it on that Post-it note, you saw that it fit inside the Post-it note. That's how small this is. Now, pro number three, you guys know I love price. And one of the main reasons I love doing these reviews is because I love doing product reviews on devices that we can all afford. This is going to turn anything into a Bluetooth. You can't beat that. The technology that exists today allows us to do a lot more, and for that, the price of this is going to run you between $30 and $35. I'm going to add a link below, and when I add these links, what I'm doing is I'm finding the cheapest one on Amazon, and I'm putting that link there so you guys can purchase it at the cheapest price available, so you don't have to spend your time searching the internet to find it cheaper somewhere else. Now, On to the cons. The only con that I found with this particular device was my lack of knowing how to connect everything. Again, that's on me. So what I found out, and I'm going to make this easy for you so you don't go through that, is on the side of this, there's going to be two slots that you have, and one is going to say TX and the other is going to say RX. TX stands for transmitting from this device. For instance, when I had this connected to the Nintendo Switch, I wanted to transfer the sound from the Nintendo Switch to the Bluetooth headphones. Now, when you switch it to RX, RX means receive to. Now, when I plug this into the car, what I want to do is I want to put this on RX because I want to play music and phone calls from my phone, and I want it to be received to this device, allowing it to be played through the speakers of my car. So with everything that we covered, I definitely want to say, pay attention to the way you set this up. If you follow those instructions, this will be super easy. And if you're looking for this type of technology, you can't go wrong with this Soundpeats Bluetooth transmitter. I'm going to definitely give this a thumbs up. Again, I'm going to put a link below so you can purchase this if this is something that you think you can use. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and follow me for more videos. Again, this has been another production from OndaWire. I'm out.